Welcome to Portfolio Builders Club. Going to look at crypto, take a look at Bitcoin and some other altcoins. All right, let's get started. Jump right into Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin has pulled back to about the 91,000 level, maybe 91,000 level, and now it's starting to push up a bit. We are expecting it to just test this level again and then go ahead and shoot up to the 100,000 level, hopefully, if it is not going to turn around at this point. But we'll continue to monitor that, see where we go with Bitcoin. But we are just below the 25-day moving average, but still above the 100-day moving average. With the 200-day moving average and 100-day moving average still moving up like this, we anticipate that we will still have support. Even if price comes down to 80,000 or so, we still are in a positive upward momentum direction. So those are the things that we know. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has had quite a bit of movement here, but as you see around this 100-day, 200-day moving average is where you find some support. So hopefully we'll see that support. Otherwise, we'll wait and see if it moves back above the moving average. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, same thing. It's bouncing here down near the 200-day moving average, and we'll see if it can break above the 25-day moving average. Dogecoin, again, strong momentum to the upside based on where we see our 100 and 200-day moving average. We are just below the 25-day moving average, so we have to see if it can get back above the 25-day moving average. Shiba Inu, holding on this 200-day moving average, has been showing support pretty much there for some time. So we'll see if it continues to show support and if it can break out. Solana, same thing. Down here near the 200-day moving average, see if it can break out. We have been in quite a bit of a downtrend overall, but we'll have to wait and see if we can get above the 25-day. XLM. So XLM is looking really good here. We did have a breakout from this downtrend that we saw here and a move above the 25-day moving average. We had some support at the 25-day moving average. So if we can hold this, we would expect more upward movement to go ahead and move back up to these previous highs, at least to here, which should put you in the 60 cent range. Should have the same sort of movement here on XRP. If it continues to hold support, it can maybe move up to close to the $3 range. And here we have SUI, so very strong momentum on the 25-day moving average. Right now it's at the 25-day moving average, so we'll see if it can hold around this particular level as it has been in the past, and then we would expect more movement to the upside. So we're looking to move from like 550 back up to, maybe 450 rather, back up to 550. All right. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano, same thing. Looking at all this consolidation that's going on right now, waiting for a break to the upside. Let's look at ApeCoin. ApeCoin is really pushed down quite a bit now at this point. We'd have to wait and see if it could get it back above the 25-day moving average. If not, we just have to wait it out. Let's go to bonk. Bonk is at 25-day moving average, holding at 25-day moving average. Correction, 200-day moving average, 200-day moving average for bonk. Okay, Kronos or crypto.com. It's moving down. We really had this negative movement, but we're trying to see if we can gain some support here at this discount level. Let's go to HBAR. HBAR is looking like it's holding right now, but we need to see a break above the trend line here and then a break above the 25-day moving average and see if it can continue on. Otherwise, just have to wait it out. All right, let's go to Ondo. Ondo's been pushing down. We'll have to wait and see if it gets down here to the 200-day moving average and see if that's another discount level. Right now, it is at a discount price, but we're not seeing any upward movement yet. All right. And we'll go to Sandbox. Still downward movement here. We need to see some more support and a move above the 25-day moving average to push back up into this pivot zone up here. All right, so we'll probably call that it for crypto, but as you see, the crypto markets are moving quite a bit here, I guess, into what we might call a consolidation. So we have to wait and see kind of how things go, if they can break out of this consolidation.